is. Speaking of defense and a steal.
Tell me about it, Mr. Fox Force 5.
Fox, goodbye. Oh, you don't like that. You don't like NBA basketball. The exclamation point from De'Aaron Fox. And it's all over here in
18. There's a strip. Fight number 8.
And here comes showtime. Adetokounmpo with the hammer. Yes. Yes. Took it away from Aldridge. Giannis Adetokounmpo. They're good at that. It ends up being Thunderball anyway, and a breakaway for George. And a stop.
Halftime game, 3 minutes left. Down 2, and you go with a win.
17-0 now. Westbrook creates another one. This time it's George on the other end, and the windmill.
Oh, he didn't.
Good ball, George. Windmill in transition.
That was nice for Team Giannis, and Nikola Vucevic will come off the bench. Terrence Ross. Terrence having a nice game.
Slam dunk contest coming up in about a week. Okay, that's an idea.
Nice pass, Marvin. Oh, what do we got here? Miles Bridges! Around the world for the rookie from Michigan State.
It builds confidence for them, and all of a sudden things change.
Towns open rack to win. Cat rolling right now here in downtown Minneapolis. Adetokounmpo gives it right back. Up ahead to Holmes, who cranks up the windmill.
That second try by Looney. Good pass. Embiid. Windmill action. Joel Embiid. They have blown it open. Embiid fakes. Embiid down the lane. It will be a crime if he leaves this game.
Brown saw that pass coming. Down the windmill job there. 38-36, Boston by 2.
Jaylen Brown making a case to be in the dunk contest. He plays where the defense turns into great plays on offense. The windmill slam for Jaylen Brown.
Melvin Frazier Jr. gets ahead of the pass. Dunked by the youngster. That's 3 field goals for Melvin Frazier Jr.